The foundation of modern civilization is electricity. We run our appliances, our computers, our entire lives off this vital resource, but how does it even get to your house or apartment? While solar panels and generators allow individual homes to generate their own power for most people around the world, they rely on electricity being brought to them through power lines from power plants, either renewable or fossil fuels. Transmitting electricity for one house can be done through just a small wire, but when you have to transmit electricity for an entire city, it requires incredibly thick and large high-power transmission lines. These massive lines run at high voltage upward of 500 kilovolts with thousands of amps, often hundreds of feet up in the sky, to keep them away from people. High voltage towers are essential for powering the world,